So it's incredible because even during a pandemic and even a recession in 2008, we've watched companies grow like crazy and thrive. It's pretty much recession proof, and it's like pandemic proof. I don't want to say proof, but resistant, let's say. What would be your advice to people watching right now if they're considering starting something like taking a leap? What is your best advice?
My best advice is that I'm real. When I started looking into Asphalt Kingdom and I saw some testimonial videos, in the back of my mind, there's always that doubt. And I was watching, I was like, man, I wonder if this guy's real. Like, is this a paid actor? Like, he's just saying like he changed his life and he's like, he's working for himself and he's so happy. And I'm like, man, is this guy for real? And now I'm that guy that's sitting here talking to you being like, so yeah, that guy was real. I'm real. And the success stories, they really are real. The cost of material versus the profit it's not even comparable. You can sit there and you can barter with people. You'll give them a big quote and they'll be like, I don't know. I'll knock $1,000 off and you're still profiting 15,000. So
right.
It's worth it. It's all real. That's my biggest advice is just believe it because it's real.